Well, as you can see, our thumbnail is celebrating a little bit of our history, so make sure you check out these places and step into our local love report for even more great things going on this weekend. Hot damn, we got a brand new coloring book and it's called Colorful Language. This one's definitely for the adults, so if you want to get a little bit more relaxation out of your profanity, this might be the book for you. So make sure you check down in the description for more details on where you can get your copy. Welcome back, Localtarians, and we are here celebrating history and other great things going on this weekend. So make sure you get to know a little bit more about your city, and let's step into events going on for January 27th, 28th, and 29th. That's your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let's hop into it, shall we? Friday. Beer Week Bingo at the Milk District, East Robinson Street and North Bumby Avenue, Orlando, going on until January 28th. 8:30 a.m. What is the spirit of Afrofuturism? At Dr. Phillips Academic Commons, $25 to get you into this amazing event. 9:30 a.m. Couture Crossbody Purse Cake Workshop at D&G Occasions. Got that someone that likes a little bougie attention? This might be the perfect birthday cake, bridal cake, or what have you for their next party. So come learn how to make this amazing piece of cake artwork. 10 a.m. How to group spring cut flowers in Central Florida at Harry P. Luke Gardens. 11 a.m. Grand opening, Crave Hot Dogs and Barbecue, Orlando on Orange Avenue. Come on out to their newest location. 11:30 a.m. Club Funique, Ladies Lunch and Learn Experience at Maxine's on Shine. Guys, that place is amazing. Make sure you pop in there, say hi to Maxine, grab some great drinks for your party, and enjoy a lovely lunch. 6 p.m. Opening reception, 20-somethings art exhibit at Orlando Museum of Art. 6:30 p.m. Parking lot party, Mills 50 at Wally's Mills Avenue Liquors. Come on out for a fun night out on Mills. 7 p.m. The Story Quilters of Hannibal Square at Hannibal Square Heritage Center. Come on out to this free event and learn even more history about this amazing area. 8 p.m. The Hamiltons, Blue Streak Mamas, The Ludes, playing live at Will's Pub. $8 to $12. Come on out and celebrate with some music in your life. All right, guys, if you're looking for even more great events, as always, you can go over to our local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. We do pin a new event post every single day of the week to the top of the page. So make sure you check it out along with some other great things we think you might like to know, and enjoy having lots of things to choose from for your week of fun. All right, guys, let's move it into Saturday. 9 a.m. Outdoor Festival of the Arts at Zora Neale Hurston National Museum of Fine Arts. $20 and up, going on until January 29th. 10 a.m. Orange County Heritage Day. Planes, trains, and automobiles at Orange County Regional History Center. Come on out for this free event and learn how we used to get around. 10 a.m. Welding Workshop Figurative Yard Sale at Crealdi School of Art. $325 coming out and spark up a new interest. 11 a.m. Cotonic, ethical, sustainable, and vintage fashion pop-up shop at O Echo. 12 p.m. Family Fun Fest at Desertland Park, Orlando. Free up to $25. Guys, grab the kids. Come on out to International Drive. They have arcades. They have the car museum. They have a trampoline park and so much more going on there. So check it out. Bring the kids for a great day of fun. 1 p.m. The 7th annual Florida Smash Beer Festival at Ryder Park. $40 to $80 to come into this amazing beer event. So come on out, drink responsibly, of course. Make sure you bring you a designated person. But come on out for a little fun and sampling. 5 p.m. No Peace Underground presents Samsara at Soundbar. 6 p.m. on Saturday Punk Rock at Uncle Lou's. Get in there, say hi to Uncle Lou, grab you a couple beers, and thrash it out hard. 7 p.m. Clue at Osceola Center for the Arts. $24 to $29, going on till February 5th. And last but not least, on your Saturday, Cora's Slumber Party at the Geek Easy. $20, you can come on in your jammies and have yourself a little slumber time. Come on in and enjoy a great nerdy time out. All right, guys, if you're looking for even more great stuff, we do have some of our notebooks that I make down in the description. If you're looking for a food and fitness journal, maybe you're into book talk. Or maybe you just want a nice notebook with lined pages. We've got all that, including coloring books and more. So make sure you check down in the description to see just a few of the options we have. All right, guys, you know what that means. It is getting closer and closer to the end of our weekend as we know it. And it's time for Sunday. 10 a.m. Earth Matters at Orlando Science Center. $24 Thursdays through Tuesdays, going on till April 30th. 11 a.m. Tea Time with Bongo at the Kitty Beautiful, a cat cafe in downtown Orlando. So come on out and say hi to Bongo and enjoy a spot of tea. 11:30 a.m. Sip and Stroll at Palmer's Garden and Goods. 12 p.m. Spider-Man Spider-Verse meetup in Orlando, Lake Eola Park. Put on your web slingers and get your masks straight. Let's get down there and enjoy a great Spider-Man filled evening. 1 p.m. Film screening Mama Irene, Healer of the Andes at Orlando Museum of Art. 2 p.m. Filipino Freedom Fest plus Kaya's grand opening day 2 at Kaya. Come on out and enjoy some amazing Filipino food, lots of festivities, lots of cultural fun. So come on out and enjoy a great day at this brand new spot. 5 p.m. Beauty and the Beast cocktail experience at the Olive Bar. $47 to come on out and enjoy all these great cocktails. Wednesdays through Sundays going on till February 22nd. So you still have time to come on out. 6 p.m. The monthly melt sound bath healthy with Shawan at Peaceful Peacock Orlando. Time to get a little you time in and relax. 7:30 p.m. Unleash the Genius bedtime stories online, and it's free. We're going to put that link down in the description so that you can go over and check out this amazing event. And for your last event of your weekend, 8 p.m., Backstabber Punk, Libika, Sky Navy, Flowers for Emily at Will's Pub. 21 and up for this party, $10 to $12 to get into the door. Come on out, enjoy an amazing night filled with great entertainment, wonderful people around you, and they have your favorite drinks, I promise. So check it out. Let them know that Local Love sent you their way. All right, guys, speaking of that, there's so many wonderful videos, reviews, things that we've done here, not only on our YouTube channel, but make sure you follow us on TikTok as well. We're always adding new things and new stuff. If you want to see us go out and check out a place, make sure you drop us a comment. Let us know what it is you'd like to see on this channel, because you know what? It's your channel. All right, guys, other than that, here's where you can reach us on all of our platforms. And, of course, peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.